Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired May 25th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Outgrowing the Basis of Suffering. Stormy, your insights.
What Google Gemini said about the show, to lower the hurdle without lowering the bar. Suffering isn't an inevitable human condition. It is a case of mistaken identity.
Looking to outgrow the limits of mortal thinking? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam